Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send any payment through a QR code on WisePay. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So basically, your friend or anyone that you would like to send the money to needs to do those exact steps. All they have to do is go to payments, and then from here they're going to click on request. Once they do that, all they have to do is click on anyone, and then from here, as you can see, now they have their own QR code. And they can add any amount or any note. And so from here, if we click on 100 and then add whatever note we would like, we can create a payment link. And then from here, we can add the QR code. Now, for you, the recipient, all you have to do is open your camera on any mobile phone and scan this exact QR code that your friend or your employee has created for you. Once you do that, you can pay that through the QR code. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.